Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am making a Mother's Day present for my mom. Obviously. I'm making her a crocheted necklace. And I'm using this awesome new set of light-up crochet hooks from Yarn Story. Since my mom is pretty crafty herself, I'm going to gift her this awesome set as well. Now, Yarn Story was kind enough to give everyone a 25% discount on this set of light-up crochet hooks. So I'll leave a link in the description to make it easy for you to find them if you like this idea for Mother's Day. Now, before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a crochet beaded necklace. Happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. Make sure to click on the link below to get a 25% discount on these beautiful Yarn Story light up crochet hooks. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.